This is Seaton with Sergeant Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of December 7th through December 13th. So I think I mentioned in my last video that we were going to be doing Christmas spreads, obviously, the whole month of December because, hello, it's Christmas. So I have a lot of stuff that I want to try and get done this week because with the holiday coming, I avoid the stores when there's a lot of people. I just don't like dealing with the shit show that usually occurs. So I want to make sure that this spread has a lot of space for me to write down all of my to-dos. So I did go ahead and pull some stickers to get started. And these are primarily from the Merry and Bright sticker book. I have the mini and the classic size. Sometimes I like the minis because the quotes fit better inside of the box. Also, I have a mini, so I do enjoy those in there as well. These are all very like classic colors, which I think is really, really cute. And I just love this little truck. I love that kind of country, you know, farmhouse Christmas. So let's get started. I like to start with the sidebar. You guys know this. So I wanted to try and find one out of this book. And there was a couple in the front there. Oh, I love this washi. It's very cute. All right, so I don't need a shopping list. I'm done my shopping. All right, let's pull this out. It's currently, we're in the middle of our first winter storm right now. And as much as the snow is, it's very pretty, I just don't particularly care for the snow that much. I think it would be different if I like skied or something, but I don't. So, all right, so let's see. So I'm going to make sure that I have enough space for what I want to write down this week. I know I usually do some elaborate kind of spread, but we're keeping it basic this week. I'm also trying some new lighting for these videos, so you guys will have to comment and let me know what you think. So how cute is this little barn? So on Sunday, it is officially 12 days until Christmas. So let's put that down here. Thursday. So we're kind of going with the classic Christmas colors, but in more of a muted. So green. I just love the little barn and the truck. It's not a good spot for this truck. Okay. Looks really cute. I pulled these little presents. I thought they would look cute along the bottom here. And they do. They're freaking adorable. Okay, let's actually lift this 12 date. Oh, we're ripping the paper. Okay. Let's put this here. And then let's put this right here. There, that's adorable. Still leaves me room to write here for Sunday and here for Saturday. So I was trying to bring in some navy. I just thought the navy and the blue looked really, really cute together. Let's put this up here. Actually, yeah, up here. 'Tis the season to sparkle. I pulled a little good tidings out, and I think we'll put that up here. Very nice. Now I needed a little area for errands because, like I said, I want to try and avoid the stores as much as possible in the next couple weeks. So let's put that on Thursday. And then I pulled a mistletoe, so we gotta find a good spot for that. Okay, now we need to dress it up just a bit because I still want it to be a little bit more decorative. I did pull this coffee and Christmas music, which is pretty much me like every weekend. So let's start that on Friday. Cute. I feel like the sidebar really needs something. So let's put a Merry Christmas here. Okay, I don't like that Merry Christmas. That's gotta come off. Let's put that back on the sheet. We'll put some snowflakes since it's currently snowing. Oh, that looks cute. Okay. Oops. And then maybe a snowflake over here. And how about a hello weekend right here? Yeah, that looks good. It's still leaving me plenty of room to write down everything I need to write down. I feel like this needs something. So let's go into the Merry and Bright mini book and see. One of these little wreaths. That's adorable. Okay. And then how about like a couple flags to go there? These will work. I would typically use tweezers to do this, but unfortunately I cannot find them. So let's just see if I can actually get these to stick. And I can't. So when I use these little page flags, I like to turn them on their side. I think it looks really cute. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. Great. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's super short this week. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you consider subscribing and look me up on Instagram. It's @SergeantPlans. Thanks.